Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 Rachna Sagar English Multi-Skill Coursebook Unit 4 Section C The Ballad of Father Gilligan. A part, complete the following lines. Number 1. Father Gilligan was weary because he was thoroughly exhausted by performing his priestly obligations day and night, probably during an epidemic in the Irish countryside. Second part, he complained that his life was joyless and troubled and he had no rest at all due to his religious duties. Number 3, Father Gilligan slept blissfully, neither aware of the passage of time nor conscious of the responsibility of the religious service he had to perform to the dying man. Number 4, Father Gilligan rode with little care because he feared that one of his parishioners will be damned due to shirking of his appointed task. Number 5, he cried out, Mavron, Mavron, because he was in dismayed grief for not going to the sick and dying man's deathbed to perform the last rites. Mavon is an Irish word meaning a cry of grief. B part, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are the feelings that have been expressed in the line God forgive my body, spake not? Answer. In the line God forgive my body, spake not I, Father Gilligan's desperate outburst was tantamount to grave sin and an act of challenging God. Question number 2. Why did the sick man's wife say, Father, you come again? Answer. The sick man's wife said, Father, you come again because she was surprised to see the priest again, who was there when her husband died. So the widow could not understand why the priest had come there again. Question number 3. Identify and write a simile used in the poem. Answer. When you were gone, he turned and died as merry as a bird in 10th stanza. Question number 4. What is the main idea of the poem? How has it been brought out? Answer. The main idea of the poem is that God showed mercy on both a tired old priest and a man at the moment of his death. The theme is God's omnipresence and grace in the lives of the faithful. Question number 5. Explain the line for souls who tire and bleed. Answer. For souls who tire and bleed. Earlier, the poet meant that weary and the laboring mankind. God made the night of the stars and spread over the earth. The soothing darkness of night blessed and troubled souls with balm of soothing sleep. Here, we find almost a repetition of the idea where the poet asserts that God had made the night of stars for the troubled humanity. Now let's move to C part. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions. Number 1. Once while he nodded on a chair at the moat hour of the eve, another poor man sent for him, and he began to grieve. A part. Who is he in the above lines? Answer. He in the above lines is referred to Father Gilligan. B part. What time does the moat hour of the eve represent? Answer. It represents the time of dusk and dawn when moths come in group. C part. Why do you think the poor man would have sent him for? Answer. I think the poor man would have asked for him to perform the sacrament of confession and for last rites. D part. What does grieve mean? Answer. Grieve means feeling very sad. Question number 2. When you were gone, he turned and died, as merry as a bird. The old priest Peter Gilligan, he knelt him at that word. A part. Who is the speaker of the first two lines? Answer. The sick man's wife is the speaker of first two lines. B part. To whom is he referred to? Answer. He refers to the sick man here. C part. Describe Peter Gilligan's reaction. Answer. Peter Gilligan feels relief and gratitude for God's mercy and kneels in prayer. D part. Identify and write the simile present in the above lines. Answer. as merry as a bird. Thank you, students. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.